If you're over 60 and you've ever been told your blood pressure is a little high, or maybe not so little, I want you to listen very carefully right now, because what I'm about to share could change the way you start and end your day. Most people think lowering blood pressure means more pills, more doctor visits, more fear. But what if I told you that some of the most powerful tools for calming your blood pressure are already inside your body, and you can activate them while lying comfortably in your bed? No gym, no equipment, no standing up, no stress. Just simple movements that signal safety and relaxation to your heart and blood vessels. And yes, these exercises are surgeon approved and senior safe. Now before you scroll away or think this sounds too good to be true, let me ask you something. How often do you wake up feeling tense, heart racing a little, shoulders tight, already worried about the day ahead? Or maybe at night, you lie in bed and your mind just won't slow down, and you can feel your pulse beating in your ears. That constant state of tension keeps your blood pressure elevated. Your body thinks it's under threat, even when you're just lying there. These exercises are designed to tell your nervous system, you are safe now. You can relax. And when your nervous system relaxes, your blood pressure follows. I'm going to walk you through 3 very gentle bed exercises. I want you to imagine you're doing them with me. If you're watching this in the morning, you can even pause and try them later. And if you're watching at night, even better. Just remember, nothing should hurt. If anything causes pain or dizziness, you stop. This is about kindness to your body, not pushing it. Let's begin with the first exercise, and this one alone can start lowering your blood pressure within minutes. You're lying on your back, your head supported by a pillow, your knees slightly bent if that feels comfortable. Place one hand gently on your chest and the other on your belly. Now don't change anything yet, just notice your breathing. Most people over 60 are surprised to realize how shallow their breathing has become over the years. Shallow breathing keeps the body in a stressed state. We're going to reverse that. Slowly breathe in through your nose for a count of 4, and feel the hand on your belly rise more than the hand on your chest. Then gently breathe out through your mouth for a count of 6, like you're softly fogging a mirror. That longer exhale is the key. It tells your vagus nerve to activate the relaxation response. As you continue this breathing, your heart rate begins to slow, your blood vessels gently widen, and your blood pressure starts to come down. I've had seniors tell me they feel a warm wave of calm spread through their body within just a minute or 2. Stay with this breathing for about 2 minutes, no rush, no force. Just slow, kind breaths. Now while you're still breathing calmly, we're going to add the second bed exercise. This one focuses on your legs, which play a huge role in blood circulation and blood pressure control. Still lying on your back, slowly straighten one leg, keeping the other bent. Gently point your toes away from you, then slowly pull them back toward your face. You're not straining, just moving through a comfortable range. Do this 10 times, slow and controlled. Then switch legs. This movement helps blood return from your lower body back to your heart more efficiently. It reduces pressure on your arteries and helps prevent blood from pooling in your legs, which is very common as we age. As you do this, keep breathing slowly like before. Don't hold your breath. Imagine each movement is like gently squeezing and releasing a sponge, helping fresh blood flow through your body. Many people don't realize that poor circulation can actually make blood pressure worse, not better. This simple ankle movement can make a surprising difference. Now let's move into the third exercise, and this one is especially powerful for calming the heart and lowering systolic blood pressure. While lying on your back, bend both knees so your feet are flat on the bed. Slowly, as you breathe in, gently tilt your pelvis so your lower back presses softly into the mattress. As you breathe out, relax and let your lower back arch slightly away from the bed. This is a very small movement. Think of it as a gentle rocking, not an exercise you have to do right. This motion massages the nerves around your spine, especially in the lower back, where many calming signals travel to the heart and kidneys. Do this slow pelvic tilt about 10 times, matching it with your breathing. Inhale, gentle tilt. Exhale, release. Many seniors feel a deep sense of relaxation here, sometimes even emotional release. That's okay. Your body has been holding tension for years. This movement gives it permission to let go. Now imagine combining all three of these exercises into one short routine. Gentle breathing, ankle movements, and pelvic tilts. This entire routine takes less than 10 minutes, yet it sends powerful signals to your body that it's time to calm down, rest, and heal. Surgeons and heart specialists often emphasize that medication works best when the nervous system is not constantly overstimulated. These exercises support that process naturally. I want to be very clear about something. This is not about replacing your doctor or stopping your medication without guidance. This is about giving your body the support it needs to work better. Many seniors who practice these exercises daily report better blood pressure readings, deeper sleep, and a greater sense of control over their health. And perhaps most importantly, they feel hope again. If you're over 60, you've probably been told many times what you can't do anymore. Can't exercise like you used to. Can't push your body. Can't expect much change. I don't believe that. Your body is incredibly wise, even now. It just needs the right signals. And sometimes, those signals are as simple as how you breathe and how gently you move. Stay with me, because in the next part, I'm going to bring this all together and show you how these small moments in bed can become a powerful daily habit that not only lowers blood pressure, but helps you feel calmer, stronger, and more confident in your body again. Now let me close this story with something deeply important, because exercises alone don't change lives, habits do. And habits are built not with pressure, but with understanding and consistency. When you're over 60, your body listens very carefully to how you treat it. Every rushed movement, every held breath, every moment of fear sends one kind of message. These bed exercises send the opposite message. They say, I'm taking care of you now. Imagine starting your morning not by jumping out of bed with stiffness and anxiety, but by spending just a few minutes reconnecting with your body. You wake up, place your hands on your chest and belly, and you breathe slowly. The world can wait. Your heart rate settles. Your blood pressure begins the day lower, not higher. Then you gently move your ankles, waking up your circulation without stress. Finally, you softly rock your pelvis, releasing the tension your body collected overnight. Before you even stand up, you've already done something powerful for your health. And imagine ending your day the same way. Instead of carrying the worries of the day into your sleep, you lie down and repeat these movements. Your nervous system shifts out of fight mode and into rest mode. Your heart doesn't have to work so hard. Your blood vessels relax. This is how healing happens, quietly, consistently, without drama. I've spoken with seniors who told me they felt scared every time they checked their blood pressure. That fear alone can raise the numbers. But after practicing routines like this, something changed. Even before the numbers improved, their relationship with their body improved. They stopped seeing their heart as a ticking time bomb and started seeing it as a partner that responds to care and patience. You see, blood pressure is not just about your heart. It's about your mind, your breathing, your muscles, your emotions, and your sense of safety. These bed exercises work because they address all of that together. They don't exhaust you. They don't overwhelm you. They meet you exactly where you are. If you're watching this and thinking, I'm too old to make a difference now, I want you to hear me clearly. That is not true. The body responds at any age. In fact, gentle, consistent movements often work better in older bodies than aggressive workouts ever did. You are not late. You are right on time. Make this routine your own. Do it once a day, or twice if you can. Do it slowly. Do it with kindness. And if one day all you manage is the breathing, that's still a victory. Every calm breath is a step toward lower blood pressure and better health. Before I end this video, I want to thank you for taking this time for yourself. Just by watching, you've already made a healthier choice. If this helped you, share it with someone you care about. So many seniors are silently struggling with blood pressure, thinking they're alone. They're not. And neither are you. Remember, your bed is not just a place to sleep. It can be a place to heal, to reset, and to reconnect with your body. Treat it that way. Treat yourself that way. And I'll see you again, right here, taking one calm breath at a time.